Thank you. Hey guys, usually we have a problem with the, what do you call it, whenever we have a Google Meet or Zoom or Duo. So the problem is most of the times we broadcast from the telephone. So I think we are facing difficulties, and I'm facing difficulties whenever my daughter is going through the music class. So her piano is in front, and the phone have to be at the side of her. Whenever she's at the side and playing, then when the teacher tell her something she can't hear. Whenever she played, also the microphone is away from her. So what I did that I found a solution to come across. To solve this problem. So basically, I just tell you what I have. I have a soundbar here with this AV aux in. The cable, you can see a 3.5 mm aux in here, and this is powered active. Sorry, this is powered soundbar, which is good enough. Bought it online. Then here I have a cable, audio cable, and a couple of cables. I have a microphone here. Just a normal microphone will do. So I bought it very cheap. So this is the microphone, and with the 3.5 mm jack, and I bought extra cables here so that I can extend it. This is about 1.5 meter long. This is a 3.5 jack. You can see here, it's written here, 3.5 mm audio jack, and the length is about 1 meter, and I think it's good enough to serve our purpose. So I bought it. You need these two of it, and you can see two lines here. That means it's for basically for stereo power. Then I have the same thing here. I have two sets of cable here, same cable and the same length. Okay, it's quite cheap, you can get it. And I have this is actually for the telephone. To separate your audio and a microphone separately from your telephone. Actually, it's quite useful. Okay, this one actually. Okay, let me open up and show you something. Here we go. Okay, the cable is here. Some instructions. Okay, I hope that this is a good cable. Yeah, this is a cable whereby you need to plug it into your telephone. For example, see this is iPhone jack, so I just plug it into your input of your telephone, and here you need to see we have a microphone mark here and a headphone mark here. So one of it, I'm going to, for the speaker microphone, I'm just going to plug it here, and I'm going to plug it at the back here. Okay, I'm going to plug it at the back here, so that I'm giving a aux input to the sound bar. And this is a microphone, so I'm going to plug it here close, and this is my microphone. So I'm going to clip it near to my piano so that is practical. She can hear the sound in front of her piano, and this is a microphone. She can keep it there whenever she sing or whenever she want to say something. She no need to turn at the phone and tell to the teacher. So I think this will solve most of our practical problems nowadays, because since we are going through a pandemic, I think this will make our life easier. Thank you. Come, darling, stop it. See now the configuration. You can see the cable is going there. This is speaker. This is microphone here. And now see whatever they played, it can be heard very clearly from the speaker, and the microphone will pick it up. So she don't need to turn here, and this I'm going to replace this microphone to the with the mute button.